If you've been using Microsoft Word the same way for the last 5 years, typing, formatting manually, copy-pasting, pressing enter 100 times to get to the next page, this video is going to change how you work. Word in 2026 is a completely different tool than most people think it is. It has AI built right in. It can write and edit for you. It keeps your whole team in sync in real time. And it has shortcuts and tricks that most people never find on their own. This is your beginner to pro guide. We're going to cover everything: AI tools, document structure, collaboration, layout, shortcuts, and more. By the end of this video, you'll be using Word the way professionals actually use it. Let's get started. Harness AI with Copilot. Let's start with the biggest shift in how Word works in 2026, and that's Copilot. Copilot is Microsoft's AI assistant, and it's built directly into Word. It's powered by both GPT and Claude models, which means it's genuinely capable of helping you write, edit, and research without ever leaving your document. The first thing you can do is draft with Copilot. Instead of starting with a blank page, you click the Draft with Copilot box and type a prompt. Something like, create a 3-page project proposal for a new marketing campaign using company data from the Q1 folder. Copilot reads your prompt, pulls in any files you point it to, and generates a full draft. You're not starting from scratch. You're editing something that already exists. The second thing is editing with Copilot. Highlight any section of text you've already written. Click the Copilot icon that appears, and you can ask it to rewrite it, change the tone, make it shorter, make it more formal, whatever you need. As of early 2026, Copilot makes those edits directly in the document, and you can review and undo each one individually. The third thing is the AI Researcher. This lets you compare insights from multiple AI models, GPT and Claude side by side, to fact-check, expand on ideas, or get different perspectives on your content without opening a browser. Master document structure with styles. Here's something that separates beginners from pros immediately. And it's not a complicated trick. It's just using styles. When most people write in Word, they manually bold a heading, change the font size, maybe change the color. That works fine for one document. But what happens when your boss asks you to change every heading font across a 50-page report? If you format it manually, you're doing it one by one. If you use styles, you do it in one click. Styles are in the Home tab. Instead of manually formatting your headings, you click on a line and assign it a style. Heading 1 for your main sections, heading 2 for subsections, normal for your body text. That's it. Here's why this matters. First, if you want to update every heading 1 in your document at once, different font, different size, different color, you just right-click the style, select Modify, make your changes, and it updates everywhere automatically. Second, Word uses your heading styles to build an automatic navigation panel on the left side of your screen, so you can jump to any section instantly. Third, when you're ready to add a table of contents, Word generates it automatically from your heading styles. No manual typing required. Start using styles from day 1 of every document. It's the single most professional habit you can build in Word. Essential pro tips and techniques. Now let's go through some individual features and techniques that pros use constantly. Things that aren't obvious, but once you know them, you'll use every day. First, Advanced Find and Replace, which is Ctrl+H. Most people know you can find and replace words, but if you click the More button in that dialog, you can get much more specific. You can replace all text that's in a specific color or a specific font. You can also use it to clean up formatting issues. For example, if your document has double paragraph breaks all over the place, you can type "$P" in the Find box and just "$P" in the Replace box, and it replaces every double line break with a single one across the whole document instantly. Second, the Quick Access toolbar. That's the small row of icons in the very top left of the Word window. You can right-click any button in the ribbon and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. So your most used commands are always one click away, no matter which tab you're on. Format Painter, Styles pane, Track changes. Whatever you use most, put it up there. Third, show hidden characters, which is Control-Shift-8. This reveals all the invisible symbols in your document. Paragraph marks, tab characters, page breaks, extra spaces. When your formatting looks broken and you can't figure out why, turning this on almost always shows you the problem immediately. Fourth, paste without formatting, which is Control-Shift-V. When you copy text from a website or another document, it usually brings its own fonts and colors with it. This shortcut pastes only the text, matching the style of wherever you're pasting it, so your document stays consistent. Collaboration in 2026. If you work with other people, teammates, classmates, a manager, a client, this section is important. Word's collaboration features have gotten significantly better, and most people are only using a fraction of them. Real-time co-authoring. When your document is saved to OneDrive or SharePoint, multiple people can have it open and edit it at the same time. You can see each other's cursors moving around the document in real time. Changes sync automatically. You're not emailing files back and forth and trying to merge two versions. Everyone is just working in the same place. Modern comments with mentions. When you leave a comment, you can type the @ symbol followed by someone's name to tag them directly. They get a notification, and it's clear that comment is assigned to them. This turns comments from passive notes into actual tasks, much more useful in a team setting. Track changes, which is in the Review tab. This is the professional standard for editing shared documents. When Track Changes is on, every edit you make is recorded and color-coded. Additions are marked, deletions are marked. The document owner can then go through each change and accept or reject it individually, or accept everything at once. If you're ever editing someone else's document professionally, always use Track Changes. It shows your work and keeps everyone in control of the final version. Let's talk about some habits that will keep your documents clean, professional, and ready to share. First, page breaks. If you want to start a new section on a new page, never press Enter 10 times to push the content down. Always use a proper page break. Control-Enter. This inserts a hard page break that stays in place no matter how much content you add or remove above it. If you use Enter instead, your layout falls apart the moment anything changes. Second, hiding white space. When you're working on a long document, all the white space at the top and bottom of each page takes up a lot of screen. You can double-click the gap between two pages to collapse it. The pages appear connected with just a thin line between them, and you get a lot more content on screen at once. Double-click again to bring the white space back. Third, exporting to PDF. When you're done and ready to send a final version, don't just save as a Word file. Go to File, Export, Create PDF/XPS. This locks your formatting so it looks exactly the same no matter what device or program the other person opens it on. It also prevents accidental edits. This is the professional standard for sending final documents. Last section, and this one's fast. These are the shortcuts that will noticeably speed up your day-to-day work in Word. Control-Alt-M. Insert a comment at your cursor position without touching the mouse. Alt-Shift-D. Inserts an auto-updating date field so the date always shows today's date when the document is opened. Control-Enter. Insert a page break, as we covered. Control-Shift-8. Show or hide paragraph marks and hidden characters. Shift-F3. Toggle text capitalization. Select any text and press this to cycle through all caps, all lowercase, and sentence case. Extremely useful when someone sends you a document typed entirely in capitals. Control-Click. Click anywhere in a sentence while holding Control, and it selects the entire sentence instantly. And Alt-Q opens the Tell Me search bar at the top of the window. Type any feature name, and you can use it directly from the results without knowing where it lives in the ribbon. And a quick bonus tip. In 2026, Word handles offline work much better than it used to. If you lose your internet connection, you can keep working, and everything syncs back to OneDrive automatically once you're reconnected. Let's recap everything we covered. Copilot for AI-powered drafting, editing, and research. Styles for document structure that updates in one click. Pro techniques, advanced find and replace, the quick access toolbar, show hidden characters, and paste without formatting. Collaboration, real-time co-authoring, mentions and comments, and track changes. Layout and finalizing, proper page breaks, hiding white space, and exporting to PDF. And 7 keyboard shortcuts that make everything faster. You don't have to learn all of this in one day. Start with styles and 1 or 2 shortcuts, then build from there. That alone will put you ahead of most Word users. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe. I put out Word and productivity guides regularly. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next.